Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news that Fisher&Paykel Finance is about to be sold to Australia's FlexiGroup. But first, the American economy expanded much more than previously estimated in the second quarter at an impressive 3.9% rate on stronger consumer spending and construction. This bolsters the case for an interest rate rise before the end of the year. But all eyes will now be on the September non-farm payrolls report, which will be out this coming Saturday. The market is expecting another strong 200,000 jobs gain. And before that, we get the Fed's favoured inflation measure, personal consumption expenditure, which is due out early tomorrow morning. A core rate of 1.2% is expected. On Friday, Norway's central bank cut its policy rate by 0.25% to 0.75%. This is the second reduction in 4 months and came as oil and gas companies had been cancelling investments and laying off workers because of lower crude prices. And Taiwan's central bank also announced a cut, this one of 12.5 basis points to 1.75%. That was their first cut in more than 6 years, and observers expect more to follow. Like the rest of Asia, Taiwan is going through a period of weaker exports and lower economic growth as China slows and transitions. Overnight, it's been reported that Fisher&Paykel Finance is likely to be sold to Australia's FlexiGroup. The price is expected to be about $300 million. In New Zealand, FlexiGroup earlier bought telecom rentals from Spark. FlexiGroup itself, however, is in the middle of serious boardroom turmoil. In New York, US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark fell marginally on Friday to 2.17%. The US benchmark oil price starts the week a little higher at $45 a barrel, and Brent is at $48 a barrel. The gold price starts lower, however, at $1,148 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar starts the week higher, in fact significantly higher. International investors seem to be reacting to the combination of the better Fonterra forecast of last week and the signals coming from the dairy futures markets indicating more strong results from the dairy auction next week. New Zealand dollar is at 63.8 US cents, 90.9 Aussie cents and 57 euro cents. The TWI is at 68.7. This is the highest level in almost a month. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.